I take my picture.
Can you show me the horse? Can you hand out like this? That works. Now once you look out to your right, look surprised.
What's there?
What's that?
Nothing there?
Not yet.
Oh, you scared me. Well, we're still looking for famous people. He said there was one here, but
Maybe it might show up. I don't know.
maybe.
Maybe.
How about right
It's a little bit of force.
now? You thought I did.
Travel well, thanks for visiting.
Nope.
I'm walking to Oga's Cantina. We're gonna be standing at the bar.
Okay.
Right over here.
All right.
45 minutes. We just asked if you stay here.
Thank you. Well, couldn't find anybody famous, especially the Tim Tracker. But yeah, well, I'm gonna drink my blues away in a bar. Just, you know, found a random bar in a random galaxy, far, far away. Ooh. Let's see what type of trouble we can get into.
Rising food!
Yeah. It's all those bubbles.
How did you know?
DJ Rex speaking.
There. The bubbles. All right. Let's go check out Rex.
It's not turning off! It's not going to do that! Hey, I think I can do it! I'll just hit this right here, and it should take care of it. Like speed, go on, That's not the one. That's not Nope. I actually don't mind it. With the DJ Rex on the carpet saying, wait! What?
Uh-oh.
That was fun. Ooh. Does anyone else know charge circuits? Probably nothing important.
Where's the music? Well, that was Olga's Cantina. Ooh, fancy. Bye now. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Big house.
Hey, it got dark out here. Well, guys, I've traveled the world and now the galaxy looking for the tracker. Couldn't track the Tim Tracker. But we made it to wherever this is. Is that the Millennium Falcon? That's amazing. Cool. Well, I guess I get to enjoy this while you guys Stick around to watch the next one. See you soon. What do you think, guys? Should I take that home? I get there faster, I think.
I got